Here, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question here: the summation of 10 power x 3 times over summation of 5 power x 2 times equals to 100. Let's provide a solution to this question. Nice way to find the value of x, so that here we have 10 power x plus 10 power x plus 10 power x over 5 power x plus 5 power x equals to 100. And of course here, because we have 10 power x which is common, we are going to factorize 10 power x here to get 1 plus 1 plus 1. And down here we have 5 power x which is common. We are going to factorize 5 power x here to get 1 plus 1, and the answer is the same, 100. So that here we have 10 power x, then 1 plus 1 3 times equals to 3. So that here we shall divide 5 power x then times 2 equals to 100. So this is 10 power x over 5 power x times here 3 over 2. This is 100, right? So because you have same power, this will be 10 over 5 then power x times here 3 over 2 will be 100. And of course 10 divided by 5, this is 2 power x. This will be here 100 divided by 3 over 2. And of course 2 power x will be here. By exchange we'll get 100 times 2 over 3. So that here 2 power x will be 200 over 3. At this stage we are going to apply logarithm on both sides. Logarithm of 2 power x equals to logarithm of here 200 over 3. And here again we have x, logarithm of 2. This is logarithm of 200 minus logarithm of 3, right? So that here this is what we have right here. We shall write divide logarithm of 2 here, and here divide logarithm of 2, and here divide logarithm of 2. This one should be removed by cancelling them to get x equals to here logarithm of here, this will be 25 times this here 200 can be written as here 200 times 25 times 8 over here logarithm of 2, then minus logarithm of 3 to the base 2. X will be here logarithm of here 25 to the base 2 plus logarithm of 8 to the base 2, then minus logarithm of here 3 to the base 2. Of course x will be here, it is 5 squared, which is equal to 2 logarithm of 5 to the base 2 plus this is 2 cubic, which is equal to 3, then minus here logarithm of here 3 to the base 2. So by rearranging we shall write x which equals to 3 plus 2 logarithm of 5 to the base 2 minus logarithm of here 3 to the base 2 as the final solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.